Hey, what's up guys? Show y'all a quick video here on your Chevys, pickups, Tahoes, where your AC compressor, relay, and fuse is located. If your truck is missing the cover right here, or if you can't read your diagram paper right here, which I'll show you on the diagram for those who may want to screenshot or know for future reference, there's your AC relay right there, and there's the fuse, which on your box right here is your AC compressor relay, and there is the fuse right there, this one right there, number 2. And there you go guys. So if your AC on your truck or your Chevy pickup, or Tahoe, they're all basically the same. If it isn't working, then you'll know why. Also, if you start the truck on and your blower motor isn't working, this number 40 right here is for your blower motor, which on your diagram, as you can see, right there. That one right there. But there you go guys. There's some helpful tips for you all. So in the middle of summertime, you ain't got no air condition, or in the wintertime your blower motor ain't working, hopefully y'all can get that fixed. Alright, y'all like, share, subscribe. Have a great day.